Welcome to my channel where I try all things keto, do all things keto, be all things keto. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're gonna be going over 4 keto products that I regret purchasing. And I'm so glad to finally be filming this video because now I can give myself permission to throw these away because they have just been collecting dust in my kitchen. So the first product that we're gonna try out is gonna be this keto cheesecake one. And it actually says it's made with real cream cheese, which, you know, I love cream cheese. I love cheesecake. So I thought that this would be just up my alley. Just the way they designed it looks good. It says that you can put it in shakes, you can bake it, and you can chill it. And when it came down to me actually trying it, I made it into a shake first because that's the easiest way you can use it. And by the first sip, I was already put off by it because yes, I know it is a cheesecake shake, but I was not expecting that tangy, artificially sweet flavor. I've had a keto cheesecake before, but that tasted so fake, which duh, of course it's gonna taste fake, but it didn't even taste like good fake. Kraft Singles cheese, that's a good kind of fake tasting cheese. This did not taste good. And I'm not gonna lie, I only tried it once and never tried it again. When does this expire? It expires August 2022. So I'm actually gonna make this really quick just to see if I really hate it, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be using this keto milk. They just sent me a bunch of their products. I've tried them. They are really good. You know, I don't know if I see myself purchasing them. They did have this chocolatey chip flavor that they sent, which was really good. And I don't know. I haven't fully came together with my thoughts on it. I'm gonna use this. It doesn't look moldy, so it looks like it's still good. I'm gonna be using about 8 ounces. It says blend, mix, or shake 1 rounded scoop. This is one of the reasons why I like my Vitamix, because you can get things to get really frothy. Real frothy. Ooh, she frothy. And we're back. It smells good. It smells very cheesecakey, and I'm not put off by the smell, but the true test is gonna be how it actually tastes. Yeah, like I can't drink it alone. It's good, it's good, it's good. Oh, here, the puckering begins, the tanginess. No, it's just that aftertaste just doesn't taste right. And I know, you can use it in baking, but I don't see myself, like, first of all, being creative enough to, like, just incorporate it into a recipe. And then 2, I wouldn't use it to enhance anything. That aftertaste just tastes so nasty to me, like, oh, I need water. Yes, I hated it, but I did buy it 2 years ago before I knew about flavors or cooking. But now, 2 years later, I can kind of figure out a way to make this work. I can use cinnamon, I can put it into a blueberry shake, I can make it work. But on its own, disgusting. Disgusting. The next one is American Metabolics Keto Replacement Shake. Specifically apple pie. The reason why I say specifically apple pie is because I realized that it's not the product itself that I'm not a fan of, it's the flavor. It was actually one of my favorite keto influencers, Keto Sony, who posted this picture up of a keto apple pie waffle, and she topped it so delicious, so well. When I saw her picture, I was immediately sold on it, and I'm like, so if I buy this, I'll be able to recreate that apple pie flavor, and oh, it's gonna be so delicious. And then I bought it, and then I tried making the waffles, and then I tried it as a shake, and both times I was completely let down. I was so turned off by the flavor of apple pie. I realized I hate apple pie flavored things. Yeah, I only like apple pie as apple pie, especially because I like it paired with the vanilla ice cream. Oh, that combo is just... Like I said, it's not the product itself. The product is probably amazing, but I probably should have gone with the blueberry cheesecake one. It's funny because I made fun of my friend Amanda because she likes bananas but doesn't like banana flavored things. But now that I think about it, I get it. I totally get it. It makes sense now. But let me know, is there anything you guys like that you don't like it in any other thing besides as is? Let me know in the comments below, because maybe my friend still is a freak and so am I. Also, if you guys are liking this video, please leave a like below. It actually helps me out a lot by understanding what you guys like to see on this channel. So the next one up, Lakanto's pancake mix. I recently bought this for a pancake video I have already filmed but have yet to edit it. This was the worst keto pancake I have ever tasted, and I tried 5 of them that night. This one was so bad. It looked plain. It had a cardboard type of texture to it. It was very pale for some reason. It didn't brown up like all the other pancakes, and I used the same amount of time to cook all of them. I didn't understand why this was a product. Like, how was anybody able to buy this? And I actually went on their website to see if they still had it up, but no, it had already been replaced by a similar product, but with a new and reformulated ingredient list or whatever. And I'm like, thank God, because that was bad. That was really bad. And I got it for $4.99, and I still think that was a ripoff. And the last one that we're gonna be talking about in this video is Catalina Crunch. I have seen this cereal in so many places, especially on Instagram. And funny story, I actually got an email from them a long time ago saying that they were gonna come out with a cereal company and it was gonna be keto cereal. They were supposedly gonna send me a bag of this product and they never did, which is fine. I actually ended up looking up at the ingredients list later on. They just have a lot of sus ingredients, like their Catalina flour, which is the main ingredient, is made out of pea protein, potato fiber, corn fiber, chicory fiber. Those are all non-keto friendly vegetables: corn, potato, pea. So I looked at the ingredients and I was like, not a big deal that they didn't send it to me because I probably wasn't gonna like it. And what do you know? I sure enough didn't like it. So apparently you can buy 4 bags for $40. Let's do a quick little math calculation. 40 divided by 4 is 10. So the bag normally costs $10. I got it for $5. I got it at half off, and I still think it was a waste of money. It tastes very bland. Maybe I just went into it having the wrong expectation. Like, obviously it's a keto cereal and it shouldn't be super sugary and sweet. I get it. But I'm a Cinnamon Toast Crunch lover, and when I tried this, I was mildly disappointed. It's like, go on girl, give me nothing. I didn't expect it to be like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. There's nothing's gonna beat Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But look at that little cereal flake. She tiny. Like, there's no little flecks of cinnamon. There's like a light, very light, thin layer of some cinnamon flavor. I was up editing videos and I was like, oh, I want something crunchy. I want something just to snack on. I couldn't even bring myself to snack on these because they just tasted bland artificially. Oh, it has that aftertaste too. It has that artificial taste on the back end, and like the little amount of sweetness it does have, it doesn't taste good. And I don't know, maybe it's just the sweetener that they're using that I'm not liking, because it just leaves that aftertaste. And it's funny because it says snacking shouldn't come with a sugar rush, which I totally agree. You shouldn't have a sugar rush. You shouldn't be eating super sugary sweet stuff because it's only gonna make you crave more of that, but it should taste good. And it's funny because I let my husband actually try it. He said himself that he wouldn't eat this with milk because it would just water down the little flavor it already has. I've eaten maybe at most 20 of these little nuggets. Honestly, the only way I see myself finishing that product is by either using it in some trail mix of some sort or crushing them up and using them in a pie crust. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products, what your thoughts are. Is there any products that you bought and you regret purchasing it? I really want to know because I know I'm not the only one who has regretted spending money on keto products. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that you can get alerted about the next video I post. I think the next one that I'm gonna post is about keto products brands have sent me that I didn't really care for. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye! Oh, that's bad.